Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on file sharing on MacBook Air. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on file sharing on MacBook Air, click on System Preferences. Now click on Sharing. Here you will find an option, the second one, file sharing, and by default file sharing is turned off. Just click on the checkbox to turn it on. Look, now file sharing is turned on, and here click on options. Here you can add users for share files and folders using SMB. I am selecting users, and now here you will assign your password, this password, to enable file sharing using SMB. Okay, now I am typing my password. Now click on OK. Look, the user is added. Now click on done. The user is added and this user's public folder will be shared by default. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.